Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation. A plus b is equal to 22. ab is equal to 24. Solution. A plus b is equal to 22. Let us call this equation 1. ab is equal to 24. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 22. b is equal to 22 minus a. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, ab is equal to 24. A bracket b is 22 minus a is equal to 24. If you open this bracket, we have 22a minus a square is equal to 24. And this is minus a square plus 22a minus 24 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by minus 1. A square minus 22a plus 24 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 22, c is equal to 24. A is equal to minus bracket minus 22 plus or minus square root of minus 22 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 24 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 22. This is 22 plus or minus square root of minus 22 square, that is 484 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 24, that is 96 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 22 plus or minus square root of 484 minus 96, that is 388 over 2. Then 388, this is divisible by 2. Then here is 194, and this is divisible by 2 again. That is 97, and here 97, 1. So we have 2 square multiplied by 97. Therefore, 388 is equal to 2 square. That is 4 multiplied by 97. And this is A is equal to 22 plus or minus square root of 388 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 97 divided by 2. A is equal to 22 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by square root of 97 divided by 2. And this is the same thing as 2 bracket 11 plus or minus square root of 97 over 2. These two cancel these two. A1 is equal to 11 plus square root of 97, and then A2 is equal to 11 minus square root of 97. We've gotten the value of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 22 minus A. B1 is equal to 22 minus A1 is 11 plus root 97. B1 is equal to 22 minus 11 minus square root of 97. B1 is equal to 11 minus square root of 97. Then B2 is equal to 22 minus A2. B2 is equal to 22 minus A2 is 11 minus square root of 97. B2 is equal to 22 minus 11 plus square root of 97. B2 is equal to 11 plus square root of 97. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 11 plus square root of 97, 11 minus square root of 97. A2, B2, this is equal to 11 minus square root of 97, 11 plus square root of 97. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here. The value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if this is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation A plus B is equal to 22. AB is equal to 24. Now let's consider this using either A1, B1 or A2, B2. We have A plus B, this is equal to 11 plus square root of 97 plus 11 minus square root of 97 must be equal to 22. This cancel this. 11 plus 11 must be equal to 22. Then 11 plus 11, this is 22, is equal to 22, which is true. Now let's consider this. 11 plus square root of 97 multiplied by 11 minus square root of 97 must be equal to 24. 11 times 11, 121 minus 11 root 97 plus 11 root 97 minus square root of 97 square must be equal to 24. This cancel this. Here is 121 minus this cancel this. 97 must be equal to 24. Then if you subtract 97 from 1 to 1, we have 24 is equal to 24, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.